We'll guide you through how to live listen with AirPods on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is a really great feature, as what it means is you can go and leave your iPhone in a room, let's say, and you can then go and put your AirPods in, and you can go out of the room, and you'll be able to go and hear what your iPhone microphone goes and picks up. But to go and get started, make sure your AirPods are connected to your phone. Then what you want to do is you can go and drag down on the top right of your phone like so to open the control center. Go to the top left and tap the plus, and you want to come down to the bottom and tap on add a control. Now what you want to do is tap on the search controls at the top, and you can go and type in live. You can see I've got it suggested here, so I can tap on it and it'll then go and be added. So I can then go and tap off of it. Now you can put the AirPods in your ears. And what you want to do is go and tap on the microphone icon in the control center like so, and that should go and turn it on. And I can now go and hear my phone's microphone. I can go and see the icons at the top, and you can tap on hold on it as well, and we can see that it's on. So it's that simple.